I am going to talk about the topic parts of a plant from your science textbook. This is the second chapter from your book. So, if you see all the living organisms, they have different body parts, right? We have eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. They perform various functions. Even if you see animals, some of the animals have trunk, for example elephant. If you see some other animals like cow, goat and all, they have horns. So they also perform different functions. Likewise, even plant parts perform various functions. So in this lesson we are going to talk about a root system and shoot system. Here is the entire diagram of a plant where this is the root. Can you see the roots? These roots are present under the surface of the earth. These roots mainly help in absorbing the food materials and water from the roots and supply to the rest of the plant part. So this area is called root system. The roots which are located under the ground, this is known as root system. Now the part which is present above the ground is known as shoot system. This shoot system includes stem, fruit, leaf, flower and bud. Now in this class we are going to talk about in detail about parts of a plant, that is root, stem, leaf, flower, fruit, seeds and all the functions that they perform. Finally, we are going to talk about the process of germination. Now we are going to talk about different types of roots. There are two different types of roots, a taproot system and fibrous root system. Here if you talk in detail about taproot system, we have a primary root. And this from primary root you can see the secondary roots emerging. You can also see small hair-like structures coming here. And this part is called tip of the taproot. We are going to study about the root. Root is a part of a plant that grows under the soil. There are two major types of roots, that is taproot and fibrous root. Let's talk about the taproot in detail. This type of root has a main root which grows from the base of the stem and produces many smaller silent branches. These branches are called as secondary roots. This is the primary root and this is the secondary root. So taproot grows, actually this taproot grows growing deep into the soil. For example, beans, people tree, turnip and mustard. Now let's talk about the fibrous root. This type of root has number of roots which arises from the end of the stem and spread within the soil. Can you see how the roots are spreaded inside the soil? Yes. Example for this kind of fibrous root system is rice, wheat, onion and grass. Let's talk about the difference between two systems. So mainly the taproot system has one main root, whereas here no main root. Here you can see small thin roots grow from the main root, whereas here you can see the bushy roots grow from the base of the stem. Here examples are carrot, turnip and radish. Here if you see the example for fibrous roots, coconut tree, palm tree, wheat and onion. Let's talk about the functions of the root. What are the main functions of these roots? They majorly hold plant firmly to attach to the soil. And roots also helps in collecting water and food materials and supply to the entire parts of the plant. Here sometimes roots itself acts as a food storage. For example, if you see carrot, radish, other vegetables like turnip, beetroot and all, they store food material inside. Sometimes we consume those roots, right? So only we are saying root itself has a food storage capacity. Another function is some roots grow above the soil. For example, banyan and mangrove trees. These roots grow above the soil. They absorb when they produce aeration. So we call them as aerial roots. Now we are going to study about stem. The stem is the main part of the shoot. See, it has branches and it has leaves. Is it not? The stems looks little harder and thick. So this stem needs sunlight too. Let's see some other kinds of plants which are very strong. Here are the trees. You can see them, right? They have very thick and strong stem. Here we are. We can see thin and soft stems. Is it not? Example, can you see the lady's fingers plant here? Yeah, they have different kinds of stem, that is thin and soft. Functions of the stem. See, the entire stem supports the whole plant, the flowers, leaves and the other branches of the plant. This is the major function of the stem. And this stem absorbs water, food materials from the ground and supplies to whole parts of the plant. Here if you see the leaves, this leaves stores food materials and supply to the other parts. And there is another function of the stem. Some of the plants like potato, ginger, the stems stores food materials. So these are the major functions of the stem.
Here we go. Leaves are of different types, vary in size, color and shape. Please observe the size of the leaves. Some are big, some are purple in color, some are small in size, so leaf has different shape, they vary in size, color, even in the smell. This is a curry leaf plant. Yeah, leaves have different smell. Example, lemon, mint, coriander and tulasi. We shall learn about leaf in detail. Can you see this leaf? This is a real leaf, right? Yeah. Outer line of the leaf is called blade and the middle portion of the leaf is known as lamina. You can also see small hair-like structures which are called as veins. Can you see the midrib? A line which is coming from the center, which is connected to the stem. The part which is connected to the stem is called petiole. Here is a hibiscus plant. Please observe the leaves and the shape of the leaves. They have a small tiny pores called stomata. They open and close, which helps the plants to breathe. So, some leaves, if you observe, they are dark green in color and some of the leaves are light green in color. This is because of the chlorophyll, a pigment present inside the leaves. As we said, leaves are the kitchen of the plant. They prepare the food materials by using sunlight and by absorbing the air and carbon dioxide from the earth. They prepare food material for the entire plant, and this process is called photosynthesis. Let's talk about the flower, which develops from the bud. Flowers are beautiful and have different colors. They also vary in size and shape. Here is a hibiscus flower which is white in color. We can also see another flower. Can you see the color of the flowers? Creation is so beautiful, right? We use flowers for various purposes, right? We use them for decorating, for birthday parties, wedding ceremonies and religious rituals. See, here's such a beautiful plant with yellow color flowers. Let's talk about the functions of the bud. This bud of a pomegranate plant turns into a tasty, fleshy fruit. Can you see the pomegranate which has been developed from the bud? See this. Here is a fruit. And most of us like fruits. Fruits contain a lot of vitamins and minerals. Here is another example. This is a flower of a guava plant. This flower turns into a fleshy, thick, sweet guava. I hope you like fruits. For example, banana, papaya, apple, oranges. Is it not? Now let's talk about the functions of the fruit. The main function of the fruit is to protect the seeds. If you see the guava fruit, it has many seeds inside. But mango has only one seed, even the butter fruit, is it not? We can also find many seeds present in papaya fruit. Now let's talk about seeds. Seeds are mostly present inside the fruit. They may vary depending on the size, shape, size and color. Here you can see dhania seeds. Let's have a closer view. They develop into coriander. And here you can see pepper. Pepper seeds. And you can also see fenugreek seeds. These seeds are available from your kitchen. Now I am going to show you some of the spices. These spices impart flavor in the food. We mainly use them in making biryani preparation. Now I am going to show you sprouts. Germinated seeds are called sprouts and they are very healthy to eat. So let's talk about germination. Here in the process of germination, the seed grows into a big plant by using warmth, air and water. So the process by which the seed grows into a plant is known as germination. The germinated seeds are called sprouts and they are very healthy to eat. I have showed you different kinds of seeds, right? Now ask your mama or grandmother to take you to the kitchen and show you some of the seeds from the kitchen room. Hope you enjoyed. So in this class we have studied different types of plants with different parts and their functions in detail. And also we learnt about the germination process. Thank you children for listening to me. See you in the next class.